ADEOS 2. AMSR, that is Advanced Microwave Scanning Radiometer. AMSR is a passive NASA core-successor of MSR heritage flown on MOS-1 and MOS-1B satellites. Objectives: measurement of sea surface temperature, soil water content, sea wind speed, water equivalent of snow cover, precipitation intensity, sea ice distribution, precipitable water, etc. Microwave emissions from the atmosphere, ocean, sea ice, and land are measured at multiple frequencies. This is a schematic view of AMSR. GAOI, that is Global Imager. GAOI is an optical NASA core-successor of OCTS heritage on ADEOS. Objectives: biological and physical processes, stratospheric ozone. GAOI is for studying and monitoring the carbon cycle in the ocean, principally as to biological processes. Multispectral observations from the near UV to the near IR reflected solar radiation from the Earth's surface, including land, ocean, and clouds. Determination of chlorophyll, pigment, phycobilin, and dissolved organic matter in the ocean. Classification of phytoplankton according to their pigment. Measurement of sea surface temperature, cloud distribution, land coverage, vegetation index, etc. This is the observation scheme of the GAOI. Seventh pi. Objective: to acquire accurate, high-resolution global measurements of sea surface wind vectors in 1 to 2 day repeat cycles. Seventh consists of 3 major parts: SAS, Seventh antenna subsystem, SES, Seventh electronics subsystem, CDS, command and data subsystem. This is an illustration of the Seventh spectrometer. The IAOS-2 sensor is of the IAOS heritage on ADEOS, founded by MOE and managed by NIES. The spectrometer uses gratings for solar occultation measurements of the polar stratospheric ozone, atmospheric trace gases, aerosols, temperature and pressure. ADEOS is used to monitor and study changes in the stratosphere, which are triggered by emissions of CFC gases. This is a schematic view of the ADEOS. Powder 2 is a passive optical imaging radiometer of CNES. The instrument is an identical twin to its predecessor, Powder 1, flown on ADEOS. By simultaneously observing the Earth's radiation in polarized light and from different viewing angles, it is focusing on several themes. Powder's very wide field of view is also a unique asset for building up time series of measurements from space, making it possible to obtain daily global coverage. Powder 2 acquires also ocean color measurements. This is view of the Powder 2. DCS. DCS is the NASA CNS Joint Development, referred to as ADEOS Next. The DCS offers worldwide capabilities for location and environmental data collection for fixed and moving platforms. The downlink frequency of 460 to 470 MHz with a data rate of 200 bits per second is added to the existing audio system. The received frequency of the DCP is 401.65 MHz. The data rate of the DCP is 400 bits per second. Total DCS instrument mass is 76 kg. Power consumption is 60 watt. DCS is installed here on the satellite. The ADEOS spacecraft consists of a mission module equipped with observation instruments and a bus module where the avionics subsystems are mounted. This is a distribution of some subsystems. These subsystems mainly include the following 9, and their functions have been briefly described. C and DH, communication and data handling subsystem. IOCs, Inter-Orbit Communication Subsystem MDP, Mission Data Processing Subsystems, ODR, Optical Data Recorder, APS, Electrical Power Subsystem, PDL, Pando Subsystem, AOCS, Altitude and Orbit Control Subsystem, RCS, Reaction Control Subsystem, DTL, Direct Transmission Subsystem for local users. That's all. Thank you.